Australians will warn you about drop bears, they'll warn you about snakes and spiders, but they will not warn you about the rainbow lorikeets. There's one of those trees with the red flowers outside my bedroom window, and the second there's an inch of light in the morning, it sounds like there's 100 blowhorns, and I don't think I've been able to properly sleep in literally since before I came to Australia. The birds here just have absolutely no chill. And it's not even just in the morning, like they will go all day long. You don't get a nap at night. Even when the sun is going down, they're still out and they're just air blowhorns. They're all around my workplace. They're everywhere and they're so loud. Beautiful, beautiful birds, love them, but they are stealing my sanity.